Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I wanted to get on here and leave a review because Sporting Smiles was super easy to use. If you're wanting a retainer within a month, definitely give them a try. Super easy. They send you mold, putty. Put the putty in the tray. Take molds of your teeth, not hard. I would take a picture of the molds that you make and email them to the company and ask if those are usable molds. That's just a piece of advice I feel like I should give because that is what I read in my little pamphlet when I got this stuff in the mail. Anyways, after about 4 weeks, finally got my retainers in the mail. They come in this little case. I ordered a top and bottom. I think you have the option of ordering only a top and only a bottom, but I wanted to order both because I lost my upper retainer a long time ago and my bottom retainer was just simply old and gross. So, bottoms fit like a glove, and top. Anyways, they're super lightweight, thin plastic. I really don't feel like I have this big old bulky thing in my mouth. I was able to go to the dog park today with my dog and didn't feel like I was spitting all over people when I was talking. Anyways, I had a really good experience with them and I would recommend them for anybody to try. Thanks.